UK drivers. Here's a mistake that costs people hundreds of pounds every year. Most drivers don't replace the wrong car parts because they're careless. They do it because car problems are misleading. A vibration feels like tires. A noise sounds like brakes. Poor performance feels like the engine. So drivers replace the most obvious part, not the part that's actually failing, and that's where money is wasted. Let's start with uneven tyre wear. Most UK drivers replace tyres first. But in many cases, the real cause is worn control arms, bushings, or suspension joints. New tyres won't fix suspension problems. They'll wear out again quickly. Next is brake noise. Squeaking or knocking doesn't always mean bad brake pads. Often, it's worn suspension links, loose hardware, or caliper issues. Replacing brakes without diagnosis means the noise comes back. Now let's talk about batteries. In winter, many drivers replace the battery again and again. But the real issue is often the alternator, charging system, or short journeys. A new battery won't last if the system behind it is faulty. Another costly mistake is changing sensors randomly. Warning lights come on. Drivers replace sensors one by one. But, sensors usually report problems. They are not always the problem themselves. Wiring faults, leaks, or software issues are often the real cause. Finally, drivers ignore small parts. Bushings, mounts, hoses, and seals seem minor, but when they fail, they cause vibration, leaks, and damage to bigger components. Replacing small parts early prevents major repairs later. The solution is simple. Don't replace symptoms, fix the cause. Correct diagnosis saves money, prevents breakdowns, and keeps your car safe on UK roads.